guys, I'm in Kyrgyzstan. I'm actually nearby Songkol Lake and we are actually living in a yurt camp. I want to show you what do you expect living in a yurt camp. So, what they have here is some swing. There's like a makeshift pole for football. There's several yurts. Okay. It's basically huge. You have fresh water as well. If you can see, there are 2 sinks for the hands, and they have this makeshift. So, yeah, look at that. Isn't that cute? So cute. And then you can see this is actually a common area where people go and eat. So you go in, and this is where we eat usually for breakfast, dinner, and lunch. And everything is included. Like if you want to eat in between, there's some sweets, some food, there's some tea. It's so lovely. It's so comfy. It's warm. It's warm when it's cold outside, and it's cool when it's warm outside. It's so pretty. Look at that. And they have some sweets, jams. This is actually the black tea, sugar, and they also provide cookies, dates, and some bread. Isn't that lovely? So we eat here. So we just, lay down and sit on the floor, and we eat as a group. Right. So, and this is a common area where anyone can actually just sit here. Usually the Kyrgyz sit here and have a cup of coffee. And now this is cow's fresh milk. It's a bit sour. I just had a little sip of it. These are the kiddos playing with the fresh water. And there's a little puppy. So everything in this area is for free. You can play some football, volleyball. You can hike up to the mountain over there, to the hills. And basically, there are many camps. So if you can see there's another camp. And then behind that is another yurt camp. And beyond that, if you can see, that's the lake. So this is our camp, which is called Azamat Camp. And then the other side, at the very end, there's another that's not open for tourists. That's just for the local. And there are some horses, cows, and beyond the mountains, there's also another set of camp. So there's another swing for everyone to enjoy. And I'm just hiking, and we're gonna take a look at the toilets. Hello. So that's the toilet section. I'm gonna show it to you later, the full thing. Yeah. So this is the shower area. It's pretty basic. You can see everyone can go in and shower. You have a mirror over here and some pegs. Really basic, but everything is good. That's the hot water over there. So you just mix everything up and you just shower. And look at the view. There's a view over there. Yeah. Pretty much really a basic camp, but it has hot water. The toilets are all clean every time. They provide toilet paper, so all good. And yeah, look at that. Isn't it amazing? Yeah. We came by here with using this car. So we got a driver, and the driver was with us. He also with us here. Driver stays here for 2 nights. We should stay here for 2 nights as well, and he will take us back to Koshkor. The other part of the vlog that I'm gonna make is all about what you need to do to get to some cool. So I'm gonna be talking about that in the next video that will come up. Alrighty, have a good day, everyone.